This is our newest model in Halverson. It's the 160. A couple things that are different on this machine is chains that feed your log, your roller with spikes that also help feed your log forward for the grab arm, your measuring device to get your length of cut. We still have the hydraulic wedge. It comes in a 4, 6, and 8 way. Your pusher is tucked away underneath the tray, and then your bar, which is hydraulically tightened. The max diameter and length of logs is 24 inches in diameter, 12 feet in length, and 6 foot for minimum. Your gallons per minute that is necessary for this machine is 15.5 to 20 gallons a minute. The ideal machines to run this processor is a bigger size skid steer, excavators, and loaders. I'm going to show you how to attach your processor. First, pressure, case grade, return. Then your power. Bigger, sturdier, and way more fun.